This type of AI videos are becoming very viral these days, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do it. So first of all, we need to go to novoads.ai, the link is going to be in the comment section, and once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the image section. Now let's go to settings. In model, we're going to use GPT-Image-2 and quality log. This because it's very cheap and the quality of the images in the quality log are really good. So now here, where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now here, we need to click in this button. And now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect, here we have the result, and now we have to download the image that we like the most. Personally, I like this one, so I'm going to download this image. Now we have to go to the video section, click in settings, and we're going to use the model Seedance 2.0 mini. This because for this type of AI videos, this is a great model and a very cheap model. In duration, we're going to use 8 seconds, and now we have to click here and upload the image that we download. Now here, where it says write your prompt, we're going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section as well. And now we have to click this button. Now we have to click in generate, and now we have to wait more or less 3 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, and now let's see it.
I was down here the whole time?
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. It looks really cute, the sheep without its hair. So well, if you want to do a video like this one, the prompts are going to be in the comment section, and I want to tell you that you can try this platform for just $1. For example, here the video had a cost of 2.1 credits, and with that offer of $1, you will have 10 credits. So you could do more than 4 videos for just $1. So well, after saying that, I recommend you to try the platform and see you in the next video.